Another part, the last part of question number 2 and last part of the question exercise also. Page number 57 of NCERT. The question is of lending library. Okay, there are some libraries where you get the book on rent. Like you charge something per day or something like that. Some fixed charges are also there. So you can just charge them and you can bring the book, you can read it and you can return it. Okay, so these kind of libraries are there. So let's read the question first of all. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. For the first 3 days, it's having a fixed charge. And an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. And while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. We'll have to find out the fixed charge and the charge for extra each day. So it's very simple thing, like you must have done the taxi fare question. There is a fixed charge and there is another charge per kilometer. In this question, the fixed charge is for the first 3 days. Like if I take the book and if I return within the 3 days, I return after 1 day, I return after 2 days, or I return within the third day I return. So I'll have to only give the fixed charge. But if I couldn't read the full book and I want it for more days, so I kept for 7 days, I kept for 10 days, so I'll have to give some extra charge also, but after 3 days. This thing is important, after 3 days. So you understand that we will have to take the fixed charge as rupees X and the charge per kilometer, per day, charge per day be rupees Y. It's very simple thing, I just want to tell you. First of all, for example, let's take the example of this, that Sarita paid rupees 27 and she kept the book for 7 days. So she must have paid the fixed charge. Fixed charge तो सबको देना है, तो fixed charge उसने दिया X, but for how many days she is going to give the additional charge per day. Okay, so she kept the book for 7 days. Okay, so for the 3 days she gave the fixed charge. So how many days left? 4 days. Okay, so she gave the additional charge for 4 days. Okay, so let's form the equation according to the question. Okay, Sarita will have the first condition that she has to pay the fixed charge. After that, she paid the additional charge for 4 days. So 1 day Y, 4 days 4Y is equals to total is 27. So this is the first equation for Sarita, and now for the Susie, she kept the book for 21 for 5 days, but for 21 rupees she paid. So she also must have given the fixed charge, but she kept the book for 5 days. That means 5 minus 3, that is 2. So extra additional charge for 2 days she had to pay. So it is total is 21. So obviously the two equations are very simple, and if I use the elimination method, I'll have to change the sign. Okay, because I'll have to eliminate X. So I am eliminating it, and it will be 2Y, and this is 6. So Y is equals to 3. Okay, so Y you have got 3. You will put the value of Y in any of the equation, and then you will get the value of X. Now in the next video we are going to do the exercise 3.5, but will not do the cross multiplication method. We'll do the other questions of 3.5. Okay, so thank you, and complete the exercise.